Even if death comes before I can prove my courage with blood, I promise, I swear, that I will even defeat death itself. This is the true and inspiring story of the young and brave Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey, Paramveer Chakra awardee, who, at the mere age of 24, sacrificed everything to protect his motherland. The story begins from his childhood and continues up to the Kargil War, highlighting his courage, sense of duty, honesty, and patriotism at every step. On 25th June 1975, in a small village called Rudha, in the Kamalpur Tehsil of Sitapur district, Uttar Pradesh, a brave son was born. He was named Manoj Kumar Pandey. His father's name was Shri Gopi Chand Pandey and his mother's name was Srimati Mohini Pandey. From childhood, Manoj was courageous, fearless, and inquisitive. His daring acts would often astonish even the elders of the village. Manoj had two brothers, Mohit and Manmohan, and one sister, Pratibha Mishra. The family lived in Sitapur. They were economically modest. His father earned a livelihood by running a pan shop at Hazratganj crossing in Lucknow. His father recalls, in childhood, Manoj never bought marbles. He would simply borrow one from his friends, and because of his excellent aim, he would win games and return home with his pockets full of marbles. His mother, Srimati Mohini, fondly remembers an incident from his early childhood. When Manoj was 2.5 years old, I once took him to Bhuya Devi Fair near Sitla Temple. The fair was full of shops, toys, sweets, and all kinds of attractions. I lovingly asked him, Bhaiya, what do you want to buy? She always called him Bhaiya, a nickname. There were balls, toy guns, bats, and many colorful toys on the shop counter. But little Manoj picked up a flute worth 2 rupees. I asked him again, Son, take something else too, whatever you like. But Manoj innocently replied, No, mother, I only want this. He used to play sweet tunes on that flute all day. I often said, Son, this flute costs 3 or 4 rupees and you spend the whole day with it. Put some focus on studies too. Manoj would smile, and slowly he began to take more interest in his studies as well. When Manoj's mortal remains returned home after the war, his black box was with him. Inside it lay that same beloved flute. When I held it in my hands, tears rolled down uncontrollably. Even today I have preserved that flute with me. It reminds me of my Manoj, who was always content, innocent, and loving. She further recalls, I used to give him money to go to school by rickshaw, but Manoj would walk all the way and save that money. Even though he was too young to contribute to the family's earnings, he reduced his own needs so that the family would not feel the burden. Along with games, Manoj was also very sharp in studies. After completing his primary education at Herald Montessori and then up to class 8 at Rani Lakshmibai School, he was admitted to UP Sainik School, Lucknow. It was here that the dream of joining the army and wearing the uniform began to take shape in his mind. At Sainik School, Manoj actively participated in every event. He excelled in both academics and sports. He studied with great focus and listened to every word of his teachers and officers. This dedication made him stand out among others. He also performed exceptionally well in NCC and was selected as the best cadet. Manoj was always a selfless person. When he received a scholarship in school, he used that money to buy a new bicycle for his father. This gesture reflected his deep love and sense of responsibility towards his family. He often advised his younger brothers, study hard, don't waste father's hard-earned money. After completing his 12th standard, Manoj cleared the NDA, National Defence Academy, exam on his first attempt. During his SSB interview, one officer asked him, Why do you want to join the army? Manoj replied without hesitation, I want to win the Paramveer Chakra. The officer smiled and asked again, Do you know how one earns it? With full confidence, Manoj answered, Yes, I know. Most people receive it posthumously, but if you give me the chance, I will win it while alive. His confidence turned into truth. Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey, through unmatched bravery in the Kargil War, was awarded the nation's highest gallantry award, Paramveer Chakra. Unfortunately, he was not alive to receive it personally, but his supreme sacrifice made him immortal. After the interview, Manoj joined NDA to fulfill his dream of wearing the army uniform. He enrolled in the 90th course of NDA.